Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can back up Oppo phone. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then scroll the page all the way down and enter the additional settings menu, then go for the backup and reset. And over here at the Google backup section, you can just turn on the backup my data toggle, and all the data on your phone will be automatically backed up to your backup account. So, just thus setting up an automatic backup feature. If you would like to manually back everything up, go for the backup and migrate, local backup, new backup, select the data that you would like to save, then hit the start button, wait for the backup procedure to be completed, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.